Now, this is example 8. Same ra ni siya with the example 7, no? We have a figure, and then ang gamiton is the 10 millimeter lateral ties. Tapos, 30 ka columns, height is 8 meters. Then, ito siya, find the number of ties and tie wire. So, dili gyapon iyang gipangayo is ties and the tie wire. So, basahan gyud ang problem, no? Kay isusod kayo nga nag-solve mo, nag-calculate mo for the main reinforcement. Pero gipangita na is the tie, lateral ties and the tie wire, di ba? So, ang gipangita is the ties and the tie wire. Okay. Now, karon tan-awon gyud na ninyo ang plan. Pag tan-aw ninyo sa plan, unsa inyo nakita? Naatay ing ani nga lateral ties, napod tay kani. Ato pa duha din ni siya ka ties diri. Okay. So sa kanitong first step is the spacing. Spacing, maximum spacing. Since one may given dira, so kita mag-decide. Pero kung gihatag, i-follow. Do diri no naa namin nakabutang gid nga 32 centimeters. Pero let's check lugar-lugar. No. Actually, that was derived from the equation. So 16 times 20 mm diameter man to ang main bars. That is 320 millimeters. And then 48 times the diameter of the ties, 10 millimeters. That is at 480 millimeters. And then list of the horizontal direction. So 400 millimeters, no? Okay, ang dimension ni column is 400 by 400 man. So, of course, looking from there, nato pa 32 centimeters yun ang spacing nato for the ties. Next is pila man kabuk ang ties nato. So duha ka ties no, we have the outer and the inner. So pila ganito siya? The height of the column, so 8 meters divided by the spacing 0.32 meters plus 1, that will be the number of the ties. So for the outer, we have a total of 780 ka ties. And then since the inner, same raman sila gig spacing, wa may naka-indicate dila special indication nga si kaning inner na to nga ties is kuan siya ba? Lakang siya. So sa to pa, si inner ties gyapon di ay is 780 gyapon ka buok per column. Take note that this is per column. Next is after another ties per column, next is length kada ties. Pila man ang length nila. So si outer, again, no, that is 40 centimeters minus the clear cover. So 0.4 meters minus the clear cover. 0.4 meters minus clear cover nga 0.08 meters. Anong 0.08 meters, sir? Ay 40 diri nga side o 40 ang clear cover on that side. So sa to pa, this is 0.32. So 4 times 0.32 meters plus unsa? 20 times the bar diameter nga 10 millimeters. So the length for the outer, overall length for the outer is 1.48 meters. While for the inner, saan man na pagkuha sa inner, sir? Mo ni siya inyo, di makita inyo ang matik-matik, no? So sa inner, kung yung tanawon, no? Kani siya nga length dira is equal siya sa length dire. And kabaluta, this is just 1/2 of, may 1/2 of 0.32 meters. Ganong, kaingon mo tang sir nga 1/2 of 0.32 meters man siya. Ay, because, let me erase that one na. This is 32 meters, 0.32 meters, and then nara mo siya tunga. So 1/2 sa 0.32 meters, di ba? So that is at 0.16. Now karon unsa nimo ni pagkuha diri? Para makuha nimo dira ang length dira, that is just Pythagorean theorem, di ba? C is just equal to, butang lang na to, manumanuhon gyud para masabtan, we have the 0.16 16 squared plus 0.16 squared. Or the length ana niya is equal to 0.226 meters. So ato na siya i-add diri. So na may upat ka nga na, so 4 times 0.226 meters. And then don't forget the bend. So natay plus 20 times the diameter of the ties. So overall, we have the 1.105 meter. For the sani for the inner. Next is wala din checking with the commercial length with commercial length. So ato i-check ang since duha man we have the outer and the inner, ato nang tagsaon. Outer, inner, okay. So for let's say 6 meters, 7.5 and 9 meters. So 6 meters divided by si outer is 1.48, di ba? 1.48. So atong i-check to si outer bars, no cut bars, kada commercial land such as the 6 meters, 7.5 and 9 meters. Ano ba si inner gyapon nga ties? Ato gyapon i-check with this three length of bar. Now karon, this is the result no as per the checking. So for the outer ties, kung 6 meters, we have 4.05, 5.07, and 6.08. And so unsa man atong piliun diri? Obviously, ang gamay nga waist no kung tanay mo ilang decimal is katong 6 meters. If we are going to use the 6 meter nga length nga bar, siya ang kinagamit nga waist among the three. If si outer ties atong tanaw. Now kung atong tanaw si inner ties, ang iyang pinakagamay nga waist is the 9 meter nga length of the bar. That is just 0.14. So since balik ta ni outer bar, no, so imo nang tanawon si outer ug si inner nga ties. So balik ta kang outer nga ties and then kung si 9 meters imong gamiton atay 0.08 nga waist. Since dugol naman sila no 0.05, 0.07, 0.08. So ato na lang sang gamiton gyapon si 9 meters nga length of the bar for the outer nga ties. So for both outer and inner ties, atong gamiton is the 9 meter long bars. So after ana is okay na no, we have already kuan nga 9 meters atong gamiton, then proceed na tayo sa ato ang next step. Ato na i-calculate ila ang number of bars nga magamit ato overall. Okay. So for the outer, so di ba we have 780 ties overall. By the way, this is the shortcut na ko nung this is not 780 ties din. No? This is the total of the 30. Ang per column is around 26 ties. So the overall, so this is not per column, no, this is just the overall. So 26 ties per columns, and for 30 columns that is 780 ka ties. Okay. So see diri na ta sa calculation of number of bars. So 780 ka ties overall, and then sa outer is 6 ka bars, 6 ka ties per length, di ba? So for the outer, pila ang required nato nga kuan? So ni 6 meter length. So that is 98 pieces. Take note of, round up na ni siya. And si inner, we have the 780 ties divided by kaning 8 po niya diri. Divided by 8. So for the inner ties, kinahanglan ta og 130 pieces. Since same man sila og diameter, they are both using 10 millimeter nga kuan bars. Then same length po 9 meters. So the total, ato lang sila i-total no. That is just 130 plus 98. Sa ato pa kinahanglan ta og 228 pieces of 10 millimeter diameter by 9 meter length nga bars. So we are already done with the lateral ties. Next is, sa man ang next na to i-solve? Si tie wires na sad. So, kani si towers dali ra ni siya. So kung imong tan-awon diri no, um, ang number of main bars is 8 and then natay outer and inner ties. So natay two set diri. Okay mo tan-awon, okay. Sa outer nga ties, kinahanglan ta og 8 ka tie wires. For the inner, we have 4 ka tie wires. So since same man silang number tanan, di ba? Sa to pa 12 tie wires kada set. So ang usa ka set din nila ties diri is natay outer napatay inner mo na atong pasabot nila. Karon, namatay 12 tie wires per set and then pila man ka set to tanan? 780 sets man to siya, di ba? So overall, there are 9,360 ka towers nga atong kinahanglanon nga gamiton for the overall construction of the column. Overall steelworks. Nya let's say no nga iyang gamiton is 40 centimeters. So the 0.4 meters nga tower, multiply na nimo sa 9,360, you have 3,744 meters. And the next step, kuan na nimo ang kuan, pila ka kilogram. So 1 kilogram kada 53 meters for the towers, multiply with 3,744 meters, that is equal to 70.6 kilograms, say 71 kilogram na number 16 GI wires. Ano na siya? Overall. Okay.